Today, I'm going to show you a complete beginner's guide of MyFitnessCoach. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features allowing you to leave this video as a MyFitnessCoach expert. Let's get started with today's sponsored video. MyFitnessCoach is an incredible app that has food logging with a barcode scanner, customized workout plans, and you can find recipes in sync with your wearable devices. Get training and target your key muscle groups along with meditation, yoga, and various workouts. So let's go ahead and open this app. Here's how you set up an account. First, it's going to ask for tracking. If you want to track with ads, you can hit allow. If you don't, you can hit ask not to track. I'm going to go ahead and hit allow. Next, it's going to ask for notifications. This can be really handy to get reminders about your workout plans or if you're logging food. So I would highly recommend turning on notifications, but it's not required. So I'm going to hit allow. You can hit don't allow if you don't want to. And then you've got 3 options to sign up here. Well, actually 4. You've got Apple, Google, Facebook, and your email. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Apple as that's the easiest. I can go ahead and authorize using Face ID and then sign up with MyFitnessCoach using Apple ID. And now it has this data consent warning here. It wants us to know that they're going to process sensitive information and the data transferring to the US. So you must agree to continue to use MyFitnessCoach. So you'll press this blue I agree continue button, and then it's going to ask you about all the details. So me personally, I like the dark theme, so I'm going to select dark. Then it's going to ask about language, so I've got English set already. Then you've got your gender, you can select your gender, male or female, and then you can come in and type in your age. So you just press in your number there, and then you press this blue continue button to get started at the very bottom. Next up, it wants to know about your weight. So you can use the metric system or you can use the imperial system. I'm going to switch it over to the imperial system. And then I can go ahead and enter my weight in pounds. So we can say 200, and then I can enter my height. You've got your height in feet and inches. And then you can select the percentage of your body fat, and it has these detailed images that let you know exactly what that percentage of body fat looks like. So if you are super ripped, then you probably have 4 to 5% body fat. If you're somewhere in the middle, an average, you're in between maybe 20 and 30% body fat. And if you have a lot of body fat, then you're around 35 or 40%. So I'll go ahead and select somewhere here in the middle, and then we've got our body fat percentage set just like that. You can tap the screen and then press the blue continue button to move forward. Next up is your fitness level. Are you, moving a lot? Are you lightly moving, or are you very active or extremely active? It's got some very detailed descriptions right here that let you know which one to select. So if you are less than 2,000 steps a day, then you can select the first one. If you're in between 2,000 and 4,000, you're lightly active. Moderately active is 4,000 to 6,000 steps. Very active is 6,000 to 10,000. And extremely active is, whoa, that's a lot of steps, 10,000 steps a day. So I'm somewhere there in the middle, moderately active, so I'll go ahead and select that. We can select our fitness goal. Do we want to lose fat? Do we want to build muscle? Or do we want to maintain weight? I'm going to go ahead and select maintain weight, and then I can select a weekly goal. You tap on this and you can select your weekly goal. It says maintain my current weight. Well, since I selected maintain weight, that probably makes sense. But if I select something like muscle building, then I can select a weekly goal. So gain 1.5 pounds a week, gain 1.10 pounds a week, or gain 0.55. So I'm going to go ahead and select gain 1.5 pounds a week. If I select something like fat loss, then it changes the weekly goal to lose. How much do you want to lose? And one thing I love about this metric here is it's not putting out, ridiculous numbers. It's smart with it. It's letting us know that we can lose weight, on average about 1 pound, 1.5 pounds or less a week, not 10 pounds a week or 10 pounds a day. It's being very careful about how we lose weight and putting out smart numbers and not anything that's too much or too aggressive. So if you're picking a goal that is not maintaining weight, so a goal such as fat loss or muscle building, you'll be able to select a weekly goal with it. But I'm going to select maintain my current weight. Then you can select how many meals you have a day, ideally 6, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 3 snacks. So you can go ahead and hit the continue button just like this. And next up, we've got step 404, where we've got the workout preferences. You can tap on that. You can say whether you want to work out at home, that's me, or you can work out at the gym. How many times a week do you want to work out? 3, 4, 5, or 6? I'm going to pick 3. And then your workout difficulty. We can say beginner, immediate, or advanced. I'm going to keep it on beginner. And then you enter your current weight, and then you hit this blue continue button to proceed with finalizing your account for MyFitnessCoach. The little progress bar comes up. It starts processing all of the information that we just created and setting up our account, and then we'll be able to move forward and use our app here, MyFitnessCoach, to use it to maintain our weight and to track our meals and our progress, and super exciting stuff, as we'll be able to set up this app for the very first time. After you hit the blue continue button and you've filled in all of your information regarding your profile, it's going to prompt you to authorize your health data. You'll want to be sure to turn on all of your health data. That way, this application can access things like your steps, your metrics, anything that you input into the health app. It'll be able to read, and it will be able to log information for you. So your workouts, your walking heart rate, your distance, your sleep, and more. So all you have to do is just press this top button that says turn on. You can turn off if you want, but it says turn on all. You press that one time, and then you're able to access all of your health data within the MyFitnessCoach application. Now, in order to authorize this, you'll have to press this allow button in the top right of your phone after you press turn on all. So we'll go ahead and hit allow, and just like that, we're presented with the home screen of the application right here. So we've got MyFitnessCoach, and on the top you've got your macro goals. You can see your current workout plan. You can keep scrolling down. You can see fitness tracking, weight management, body measurements, and you can explore all of the various features that are right here on the MyFitnessCoach application. You've got multiple tabs at the very bottom that allow you to check out all of the features that are on this application. You've got the workout tab, where you can come in here and see all of your weekly workouts, which workouts you're doing, which programs you're in. You can see there's a 12-week program right here that's a beginner level muscular endurance training program that you can tap on and see the progress for and how you're doing week after week. You've got the macro coach right here, where you can come in here and you can log your different macros and your calories within a food item. Really simple to come in here and do. You've got the meal tab. So in order for this to finalize, it looks like it's processing. So it says, please wait while we finalize your tailored plan. And then you can see that happen within just a few seconds there. And our tailored plan, our weekly meal plan, pops open right here. And we can take a look at what that looks like. So based off the information that we gave it in the very beginning, our height, our weight, our age, and our body fat, it's gone ahead and prepared meals for us to eat that are healthy and nutritious. So we can see what we have for breakfast: oats with tuna and seaweed. It has the nutrients breakdown right here for how much protein, fats, and carbs are in it. And then we can come down here and see the very specifics of what this looks like in the recipe. So there's multiple different meals in here. We can press the back button. We can press the back button one more time. We can go to day 3 and see what that looks like. And you can see they prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you can tap on each of those. You've got a snack, you've got afternoon snacks and evening snacks. So in the beginning, when we went through our progress of setting up this application, we selected that we would have 6 meals a day. And here inside the meals section, it prepares us 6 meals: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, afternoon snack, and evening snack. And you just tap on each of those meals, and you can go ahead, you can see the recipe name for it, how many calories, your macros, your nutrient details, the ingredients that it breaks down, and the instructions for that meal. And then after you've prepared this meal, all you have to do is just press the log food button, and it logs it right there inside of your nutrients with the current time around now. So just like that, you're able to successfully add in a really cool option that we have for our macronutrients. So another cool thing about this app is you can see the activities. It's connected to our Apple Health Kit and all the data that's on your phone. So you can see today's progress, how many calories are burned, your distance covered, the heart rate, the sleep, and blood oxygen and respiratory rate based off how many steps you've made. If you have an Apple Watch or another third-party tracker, all of that data will sync right here, and you'll be able to view it within the fitness tracking on this application. So say I've just finished eating a lava bar here, and I want to go ahead and log that as a snack within MyFitnessCoach. All you have to do is just go over to the macro coach tap on that feed, and then press the plus option. Now, it's going to allow you to search for food. You can also press search for food at the very bottom. And then we can type in here the name of the bar. This is the apple pie flavor. So we just type in that flavor, and then we'll type in apple pie, and then we'll press search. And you can see at the very top here, we've got that option right here. We can tap on it. We can see the nutrient details, the breakdown in protein, fats, and carbs, the macronutrients, and the servings amount. And then we can say we've eaten 1 bar, and we can press this blue button right here that says log food. And just like that, we'll press it once, and it logs in that apple pie bar that we just consumed right here on the right. So you can manage your snacks, you can manage your lunch and your dinner. Say later today at 6 p.m. we'll go ahead and log in. We can search for food and say that we'll have some pizza. And then we'll search for pizza. We can come over, say we had some keto pepperoni pizza. It's got our nutrient details right here, our protein, fats, and carbs broken down for us. We can say how many slices. We can say we had 4 slices, and then log food. And just like that, you can see the details update for our calories for the day. You can see that our goal is set for 2,955 calories. So far we've had 1,200, so about 1,225 calories. And then our breakdown for our protein, our fats, and our carbs that are right here at the top of this application for MyFitnessCoach. So this is very helpful when you're planning out your weight loss journey. If you want to maintain your weight, or if you want to lose weight or bulk up, you can come in here and log in. Say for breakfast at 10 a.m. we had a meal. We'll go ahead and search for Soylent, and we'll type in our item here. And I misspelled it, but it still got it right. See, I had some coffee by Soylent. I'll go ahead and tap on that. It's got the breakdowns, so the protein, the fats, and the carbs, just like in all the other options right here. We can say how many milliliters we had. We can see all the details for the nutrient details, and then we can go ahead and log that in. We can see that that was 400 calories, and we'll go ahead and press log food. And just like that, we've logged our coffee by Soylent at the very top at 10 a.m. And you can see the progress bar update here. Now we're at 1,625 calories out of 2,955. And we'll be able to go through the timeline here and log when we have our snacks and when we have our food. So that's how you use MyFitnessCoach in the My Macro section to log your meals. And then you can go back to the home page and see a complete overview of today's calories intake. We've consumed this amount of calories right here, 1,625, and we've got 1,330 left. And then we've burned none because on this phone we've not walked any, we've not synced it to a tracker that tracks our steps or anything of that nature. So the great part about this is if you do exercise, these metrics will update. It'll let you know how many calories you've burned and how many more you can eat. You can come over here and scroll down and see your weekly progress over time between your net calories. And you can see we've only logged content on today for Monday, so 1,625 calories, just like that. We've got options for our workout plans where we can see the details and go ahead and start our first workout. It's got a full body workout right here, so we can do some cardio for about 5 minutes, then do a kettlebell deadlift and some more workouts. You got glute bridge, push-ups, and more. You can see the different circuits. They've got sit and reps, circuit, cardio. So they've got a full workout plan. This is stuff that you would typically have to pay a coach a lot of money for a month that you've got right here completely embedded into the MyFitnessCoach application. A really cool setup here. You can go ahead and press play workout and it will work you through how to get started on that workout. So it's very simple. For your warm up, you just hop on a bike and you start, do a quick run or do some cardio to get your heart moving. And then you can press this next button right here. And then you can move over to the next option, which is the kettlebell deadlift. You want to do 12 reps of those and 2 sets of those. So you can see how many reps you need to do and how many sets. So this is probably one of the coolest workout applications because it gives you a visual of exactly what you need to do with that workout equipment. And then when you're ready, you can press the next button right here on the side and go to the next option. Kettlebell split squat gives you a complete visual demonstration of what to do. and you can do that workout, and then you can go ahead and after you're done with each workout, you can log it, and it will log it into your health app. So if you do a glute bridge, you've got 12 reps of those, 2 sets, you just log exercise, and then it lets us know if you modify that rep or round, you can go ahead and do that. So a rep is how many times you do something within a workout, and the rounds is how many sets of reps you do. So in this case, we did 2 rounds of 12 reps. So that means we did a total of 24 of the 24 reps completely, but we separated it in between 2 rounds. So we did 12 of them, took a break, and then completed 12 more. So you can add a set if you want to, or you can just go ahead and hit the save button if this is the correct configuration that you had. So we'll go ahead and hit save, and exercise is logged completely. You can move on to the next one. The next one's pretty simple. Everyone's familiar with push-ups. You want to do 2 sets of 12 push-ups. After you've knocked that out, you can hit log exercise, and say we want to modify, say we did a 3rd set. You can add a 3rd set here, and now we've got 3 sets of 12 of these workouts. And then we can go ahead and press the save button, and it logs that completely within our application. So really cool software that we've got right here. We can always hit the back button to head back to this workout. Say you want to log the whole workout, you can just press log, and it gives you the whole workout right here, where you can see, you can edit any of the sets, how many you did. So say you went through all of them, you can just go ahead and mark as complete, and it will add them all to your MyFitnessCoach application. So really cool that you can do that. You can see that we did about 18% of that, and you can modify the progress as you keep going. Week 1, week 2, week 3, they've got the entire the entire 12-week course out here for you to design and live your healthier life with the MyFitnessCoach application. You can of course tap on workout plans and see additional workouts. So you got fat loss programs, muscular endurance, strength, and more. So you can come over here. You've got various different workout sections within the MyFitnessCoach application, which is very helpful to getting started and being a healthier person using the MyFitnessCoach app, because you'll be able to know exactly what you need to do in order to work out. You can go over to the Explore tab and see more. You've got yoga, meditation, breath work. So they've got tons of options that are baked right here into the MyFitnessCoach application that you absolutely have to check out, and it will be a perfect start to 2025 as you download this application and set up a free account, and you're able to come in here and get all of the details for your application right here. So we can go to workout, you can go to macro coach, and you can go to meals, log your meals, and then see all of the activities taken connected to your Apple account on your Apple Health Kit. So this has been a complete beginner's guide of the MyFitnessCoach application. If you enjoyed this, be sure to download it. Check out the link in the description below and download this application, create an account, and start living your healthy life and modifying your weight training plans, logging your health, and getting great deals and meal plans for your account. So this is a really cool piece of software that you absolutely have to check out. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to figure out when we will create our next technology video. We love producing these for you and can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.